to get Murphy Connor through 30 minutes is pretty important, not just for him, for us, for the semi-final. I thought Angus played really well when he played these. Angus Lloyd, number 9, played really well. So overall, there's a few injury worries, which I'm not sure how serious that is. But listen, to top the table is obviously nice, but you know, after this game now, it means nothing. Now it's semi-finals and hopefully finals. Yeah, look, I think we've got a good learning school or schooling lesson taught by Saracens in semi-final rugby when we played them. So hopefully we can take some of that, take it into the semi-finals. We know Ospreys is certainly a team. We beat them both times, but only the first time was proper. The second time second game we played them there, we were a bit lucky. So no, I think both Leinster and Scarlets and Ospreys and us will be 2 tough games.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Just found out there that we finished first, so you know that's a great victory for us this year. That was one of our targets. So yeah, all eyes will be focused on Ospreys in 2 weeks.